Hi, remember my yesterday's video about the magic wand, aka Wowstick, aka useless electric screwdriver? Today I will show you something else. Okay, never mind. Today I will show you something, no, the same. I will show you almost the same because I will show you another set of precision screwdrivers, also from Xiaomi, but this time a set that actually makes a bloody sense, and it's a really almost very good precision screwdriver set. What I have here is a Xiaomi Mijia Wiha, or however am I gonna spell it, and in a very nice metal. This is metal, looks to me like aluminium, but I'm not an expert on that stuff. In the very nice case you get something like this. You have a driver. This is all of this. This is one piece of metal, only the head is different. Very nicely done. If I would have to guess, I'd say it's somehow, I think it's somehow magnesium with something. Pretty decent bits, because you have almost everything over there. Torx, flat, depository for Phillips, I never remember. It really, like, you will not lose any of that, and you cannot really close it now. I wonder why. Okay, you will never really lose any of that. You can just throw it into your backpack, go with this to the field, and just use it everywhere you want it. It really is a good precision screwdriver set for half of the price of this useless fucker. Never mind. But is it good for our earthy hobby? Unfortunately, not very much, because the heads we are using the most often are the H. We are using H1.5 not very often, H2 and H2.5 millimeter. Unfortunately, this one set ends on H2. There is no H2.5 and H3, and that makes everything complicated when you have the quadcopter on the field you want to disassemble, because you do not have the correct head, and there is nothing else from other bits to get for it. So it ends on H2 and this one, and over here in the original set you have like two useless triangle and some. But because I have this useless thing, and this thing has bits for almost everything, I was able to take from one of those tubes. The tubes, by the way, you can buy by yourself. They cost like few bucks. They will be nice extension to this original set with H2.5 and H3 bits, which it makes this set slightly more expensive. If I would not get me this crap and be able to reuse two bits, and I paid only around 30 for this, okay, I would be really pissed off. But since I replaced them, and that means that for more or less 16, for 24 bucks, you can have a really nice set of bits and a really nice screwdriver. Only you have to buy the original Mijia Wiha, how am I supposed to spell it, and the tubes. The links to this thing and the extra tube is in the description, so you can do whatever you want with it. And that's all for today. Until the next one, ciao. Oh, consider becoming my Patreon, right? Yeah, thanks. Bye bye.